Level 3, we're going to take it from the double leg RDL to the single leg RDL. So again, I'll use the 16, but basically what we're doing, same thing, but just on one leg. But what we're trying to do here is get this glute engaged, and again, squeeze at the top, just touch the other foot down. But we're taking all the principles from the double leg, so we're not coming through into the hyperextension. We're just going hips back, hips forward, squeeze one glute. Hips back, hips forward, squeeze one glute. Couple of other things to remember with this one. Shoulder, hip, ankle, all stays in a line. So as I come down, what I can do as well is just lift this heel a little bit, get this glute engaged. So I've got glute 1 and glute 2 all engaged. Again, keeping that position, just holding a weight down here. So I've got engaged here and engaged here. Again, we can swap over, exactly the same. Straight leg, shoulder, shoulder, hip and ankle, up and down. Getting into that position. So we've gone through 3 levels, from double leg to single leg, introducing movement, introducing balance, introducing coordination. So as a quick summary, the 4 exercises that we've talked about are the double leg bridge, single leg bridge, RDL, and the single leg RDL. All of the way through, we're trying to progress and keep the glutes active when we lift that one foot from the floor. When we come up to standing, we've got to be a lot more conscious about our glute activation, but also we don't want to be going through hyperextending, pinching the back in the bridge and in the RDLs as I've described. And when we do the single leg RDL, we can get a little bit out of the other glute just by lifting the leg back and just pushing that heel and getting that glute engaged as we come down and back up. If you've enjoyed this content, please do hit the like button below. If you've learned something new, hit the thanks button below. If you have a question or a comment, please leave it in the comment section below. And if you want to watch more tutorials like this, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, and you'll be sent them when I release them.